Hi, I'm Risa from Risa. Welcome to my craft room. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this unique turban hat. If you love anything about turban hat, consider subscribing. As I always say that it's recommended to only use stretchy fabric to make a turban hat. And if you're asking me about what's the name of this fabric, I don't really know because here in my country, every stretchy fabric is called stretchy fabric. And when we are working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. As you can see, this is the edge of fabric. The size is 12 inches for babies and 18 inches for adult. And here, the size is half the head circumference plus an inch. Now this is the back side of the fabric. With the edge of fabric here, I will mark every 3 centimeters. Like this. Now I will fold the fabric from this line to this line, and I will sew here from this line, and I will sew until here. Like this. Now fold the fabric in half. And sew here and here using regular stitch, but we have to leave an opening about an inch here. Like this, and leave an opening about half an inch here. Prepare a piece of fabric. The size is 2.5 inches and about 5 inches. Fold the fabric in half and sew here using straight stitch. Prepare another piece of fabric. The width is 6 inches and the length is head circumference plus an inch. Fold the fabric in half like this and sew here using regular stitch. Like this. fold the fabric like this. And turn the fabric inside out. Take our turban hat. This will be the back side of our turban hat, and the one with an opening here, this will be the front of our turban hat. This will be the back side, so we put this here. And this is the front of our turban hat. With the wrong side of this loop here, put this on the turban hat. Like this. This is the back side of our turban hat, and this is the front. I will search around here. Like this. And when we see from the outside, it will look like this. Prepare 3 long strips fabric. The width is about ½ an inch and the length is twice the head circumference. Now I will stitch the fabrics together here. Like this. Now I will braid the fabrics. Like this until the length is about head circumference plus an inch. Now I will sew here to secure the fabric. Like this. Cut the excess fabric. Take our turban hat and I will gather the fabric here and here. like this. Now I will put the loop here through the opening here. Like this. I will stitch the loop here to the turban head. Like this. Cut the excess fabric. Take our braided fabric and put it through the loop here. And with the right sides together, I will stitch this. Like this. Cut the excess fabric. I will stitch this to the back of our turban head. Like this. And our turban hat is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban hat tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share, subscribe, and ring the bell.